Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you make.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's girl Bube, and this is definitely Bube's corner. So yeah, today I'm going to show you guys my apartment or my empty house tour, which is not practically empty, I'm sorry, but today I had to do this video. We've already like bought in stuff, and so I don't know, maybe if I still have the video the agent sent to us when the apartment was really empty, then I'll probably insert it or probably show you guys. So this house is a 2-bedroom 1-bathroom apartment. It's an apartment building. I mean, you guys saw the exterior of the apartment. So this house is relatively old. It's just that it was newly painted, and that's the thing. But that's one thing I love about this building, like about this apartment. Like they had to repaint it and make it look new and make it look presentable, so it's not like the most luxurious house or apartment or anything, but I mean it's good for starters. Okay, so yeah, another thing I love about this apartment is that it has a lot of storage. As you can see, this is the second storage, and guys, I think I have 2 more storage to show you guys, so let's see. So yeah, this is the third storage space. So more storage spaces, like it's just plenty, and that's really definitely one thing I love about this apartment. Is it's really nice having a place to store your things. It's really nice. And this is the last storage. Now this one is very close to the washroom. So yeah, this house is really nice. This house it costs, I think the rent for this house was 1,023 CAD, that's Canadian dollars, for a month. And yeah, we have to pay for power and Wi-Fi. So putting everything together, we pay 1,180 something dollar every month. So it is relatively high, but I mean, like when you're looking for a house and this just comes in. Do you understand? So right now we know that there were a lot of options, I mean better options. So just saying that if you're watching this video and you have a lot of time in your hand, I mean there is nothing pursuing you, just calm down, look for a house. You're going to see a cheaper house, a more beautiful house, especially in cities like Edmonton, Saskatoon, where standard of living is not that high. I mean rent is not supposed to be that high. Do you understand? So yeah. Now another thing we notice about this house is that there is no bulb, guys. There is no light in this house. Like there is electricity in the house, but there are no bulbs. Like in the rooms, there were no bulbs. My husband had to do the electrical work, do the whole wiring, fix the bulb. I am asking, why is there no electric bulb? That's I like, what do you expect me to do when it's late, when it's dark? I am not a cat that sees in the darkness. So how do you expect me to see? You see, are you seeing what I'm seeing? There is no bulb. These people, and when we ask them, they're like, oh yeah, this is how it is here. And I'm like, what? What? Please, I mean, we have to ask other people, and they're like, nope, we have light, we have bulb. But I mean, it is what it is. I mean, that is one of the demerits that of the apartments. But overall, I mean, if the merits are more than the demerits, I mean, you just have to manage, right? So yeah. So the cabinets, right? That's what they call them. But the closet, I should forget the local girl. Forgive the local girl in me, please. So the closets are really wide, and they're really wide and and spacious. So Well, this house is not that bad, it's not like the best of the houses you can see, but it's not that bad. Another thing I love about this house is that it's in downtown. If you know anywhere outside the country, downtown is like where the things happen, like things happen. Do you understand? So this house, I mean, like it has close proximities to so many shopping malls, just across us we have Walmart, although they are closing up. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm just trying to explain to you guys that it has close proximity to so many things. Like I don't need to we don't need to drive for so many hours for us to get to downtown, or if you want to go for sightseeing or go to the parks or go to different shopping malls, it's all within, right? So that's why well, for some people they say, oh, houses in the downtown is looks more old, because I mean people tend to live there. But if you go to like south or all those places, I'm talking about Edmonton here, you tend to see newer houses, so yep, that is it. So you see the cabinets, they are pretty old, but it was like remodeled, it was repainted, and it looks good. Okay, I really love this kitchen. Like I really, really love. I think this is the most favorite place for me, because I always stay here to cook, so it looks pretty nice. Don't mind me, I was just showing off my leg. So that's it. Yeah, so let me just take our time to say, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe. Okay. I mean, we are on our way to hitting 700 subscribers. I mean, guys, I really want to get up to 1K, and I want to say a big thank you to everyone that has been subscribing. I see you guys. Oh my god, like the love is just overwhelming, and I don't know, I'm just grateful. So the place I just showed you guys is going to be our dining area. So that's a little space for our dining area, and the fridge, because you're a Nigerian, you have a chest freezer. So we also added like our chest freezer. We've added our chest freezer there, and I'm talking about like right now, because I made this video some few weeks ago, right? Or some, yeah, it's not a month. So yeah, so I'm just like thinking of where everything will be. Maybe the couch will be there, and so that's why I'm actually showing, like, that's what I meant by waving my hands. Now another thing is that the house doesn't come with an institute built like laundry. It comes like the washer and the dryer, they are in a different room entirely, and we pay for us to wash our clothes. So me and my husband, we said, you know what, we're going to be washing every 2 weeks, and that works for us. Do you understand? So just plan yourself. Overall, this building is nice, and yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.